Can you spot the difference between these two videos? Which video restoration effect do you prefer? Today, I would like to introduce to you two revolutionary video repair software, UniFab AI and Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. Both software are equipped with advanced AI technology, which can significantly improve the clarity and quality of videos. Okay, now let's take a look at the performance of these two software in actual applications. We open UniFab Video Upscaler AI. The software is very easy to operate and only requires 3 steps to complete the enhancement. Step 1. Select the Upscaler function and import the video. Step 2. Make some simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can choose to increase the video resolution. UniFab supports output with a maximum resolution of 8K. You can also go to Settings for advanced settings. Here we select Universal Model and increase the video bitrate to export with high qualities. Here are the custom functions of video trim, crop and audio, which can be freely selected, as well as the function of preview. Finally, export the video. It can be seen that Cyberlink's interface is more like a type of editing software, and it is equipped with AI functions on this basis. We import the video and drag it into the timeline. Click Edit here and select the function on the right. We choose Video Enhancement AI. Okay, the software will automatically enhance the image. We cannot select output resolution or see the progress of the work. Let's wait a moment. Okay, we can find the enhanced video here. Click to download. Next, let's compare the effects of one or two softwares. It can be clearly seen that UniFab's repair effect is better than Cyberlink's. Cyberlink's overall restoration effect tends to be higher in texture and contrast, but the video is still not very clear, the overall effect is average, and the video is not realistic after restoration. The overall clarity of UniFab's video is higher, and the texture and smoothness of the video are at a better level, making the video more realistic. Let's take a look at the video parameters of Cyberlink output. We can see that Cyberlink forced the output video to 29.970 frames and only increased the resolution of the image quality by twice the original one. UniFab retains the original video frame rate information and can upgrade the video to 4K quality. So which software do you prefer? You can give your answer in the comment section. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.